Members of the dais, I welcome you all on this auspicious National Teachers' Day, 63rd Teachers' Day. Every year we celebrate this Teachers' Day with lots of devotion. Hello. Our teachers, when we describe them, we fall short of words and sentences, as they are next to our parents. They are the backbone of our nation. They build the pillars on which our nation rests. The more we say about them, the less it is. So we thank them all for taking their precious time and joining us with us today. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I now request your Anushwara to please lead the citation. By Sri Professor
বর্তমান বরাক উপত্যকার উত্তর পূর্ব প্রান্তে কাছাড় জেলা বৃহত্তর জয়পুর বাজার অঞ্চলের কনকপুর তৃতীয় খণ্ড গ্রামে জন্ম। স্থানীয় কনকপুর দ্বিতীয় খণ্ড গ্রামের পাঠশালায় প্রাথমিক শিক্ষা, অতঃপর স্থানীয় জয়পুর রাজাবাজার আর RCBP হাই স্কুল থেকে ম্যাট্রিক পাস, তারপর শিক্ষজিৎ গুরুচরণ কলেজ থেকে স্নাতক এবং গুয়াহাটি বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় থেকে স্নাতকোত্তর ডিগ্রি লাভ। অতঃপর কাছাড় জেলার পূর্ব প্রান্তে কয়লাপুর নেহেরু কলেজে অধ্যাপনার কাজ শুরু এবং ভারপ্রাপ্ত অধ্যক্ষ রূপে 2007 সালে চাকরি থেকে অবসর নেন।
These days keep me to some extent worried. Look, a teacher like me with more than 45 years of association with teaching now on such a day is bound to be reflective. Reflective in the sense, memory, going down memory lane. Let me begin by remembering one illustrious teacher who many of you may be knowing, who came from this town, Dr. Amarisdam in Guwahati University, a revered teacher. On his centenary, he completed his 100th year, and some of his students, along with some of his students, we went to honor him, do him honor at Dibrugarh, in his Dibrugarh residence. We had a long conversation. One particular statement that he emphatically made comes to my mind at the moment. Referring to Dr. Radhakrishnan, we were talking on him. Look, Radhakrishnan's basic discipline was in theology, philosophy, and Hinduism. This book, Comparative Religion, is studied in various universities. That was our topic of discussion. And Dr. Doctor, who is Namona, he said, I am a proud Hindu. We are waiting what would follow. He said, kindly follow the words. I am a proud Hindu because my religion gives me the right even to contradict God.
This meeting, so all of you are requested to keep patience only for 3 minutes. At the same time, I shall not only give thanks to our chief guest, but I shall convey my pranam to him, a great teacher. He has written so many books, whose books are now under the syllabus of even foreign institute. At the same time, I do offer thanks to our keynote speaker, Dr. Santosh Chakraborty. I do offer my thanks to my president and secretary of this club and the teachers who have been facilitated here. I convey my pranam to this teacher. At the same time, I convey my pranam